Hey everyone, welcome back to Fibonacci Pi. Today we are answering one of the biggest beginner question: which programming language should I learn first? If you are a school or college student just starting your journey, stay with me. By the end of this video, you will know exactly where to start and have a full roadmap to follow. Before choosing any language, ask yourself, why do you want to learn coding? Different goals need different starting points. If you want to build games, mobile apps, or website, there is one path. If you love AI, data science, and automation, another path. And if you just want to learn logic and understand how computer think and works, there is a perfect language for that too. Let's make it simple. Here are the top 3 languages that are perfect for beginners, easy to learn and super useful in real life. Python, simple, readable and used in AI, data science and automation. JavaScript, the language of the web, help you create interactive website and games. C# or Java, great if you want to build a strong programming logics and apps or games with Unity. Each one opens a new door. Pick the one that matches your interest. Okay, here is your roadmap to follow into 2025 and 2026. Step 1. Learn the basics, variable, loops and functions. Step 2. Practice with mini projects, calculator, quiz app, to-do list, like this kind of applications. Step 3. Move to problem solving, platforms like LeetCode or HackerRank. Step 4. Build a portfolio, upload projects to GitHub. Step 5. Explore advanced areas like web, AI or app development. Remember, consistency beats speed. 30 minutes a day is enough if you stick with it with your current school or college degree. Avoid these 3 beginner traps. Try to learn too many languages at once, watching tutorials without actually coding, and third, giving up when you see errors. Remember, every error teaches you something new. So to wrap up, start with Python if you want simplicity and AI automation. Go with JavaScript if you love the web. Try C# or Java if you want a strong foundation in programming. Whatever you pick, stay consistent because the best language is the one you actually finished learning. Thanks for watching Fibonacci Pi. Keep coding, keep creating and keep learning.